Hi, welcome to my today's video. In this video, I'll talk about my independent view towards the market. Is the rally over? Are we ready for the climax? If yes, then when is the drop expected? Also, by watching this video, you will get to know which stocks and which sector I am bullish about. So let's start our today's video. Also would like to tell you before starting the video, please keep your pen and paper handy to jot down all the important points from the video. So let's start our today's video. First of all, would like to tell you that I have booked 80% profit from my mid cap and small cap portfolio. And people who have been watching my video and following the commentary in the community section on my channel, they are aware about the 20% stocks that I'm holding. To start with, markets are reflecting good macro conditions. The expectations that all are keeping are pretty high, assuming that everything will be just right. This risk would always be there in the market now. Talking about balance sheet of India, be it corporate sector, banking sector, government, all are moving in the right direction. So therefore, we do not have any reason to say that we should have a setback. So question number one, is market overvalued? My answer is no. Big indices are not overvalued. One can say that small and mid cap are overvalued, but large cap are not overvalued. Another question, if the market is not overvalued, is it undervalued? Look, market is not overvalued. At the same time, it is not undervalued too. You can't just keep your eyes closed, switch off your mind and put the money in the market. You have to keep some share aside and put rest of the money in the market so that when you get the opportunity in future, you can put the complete 50% as well as another 50% which is kept aside in the market to multiply your returns. Agar opportunity nahi milti, market nahi girti, still your 50% is already parked in the market which is growing. So you are not losing anywhere. It's a win-win situation for you. Another question, are we going to see the climax soon? ये bull run रहेगा तो कब तक रहेगा? Okay, we are in the bull run and this is going to last for long. Such bull run always comes from sector to sector, stocks to stocks. So worst mistake that people make is that they keep on jumping from one sector to another, one stock to another. The best strategy in such scenario is to hold on to the stocks that you know well about. Because if in case you start switching the sectors and you miss one, you will never be able to get back on the train. Stop thinking that usne power sector mein 300% banaya, 350% banaya. No. You have to get into the sector that you are well aware about. Another question, what about HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank and PSU banks? Look, banking has always led the market. It took a pause in between, but now I am expecting this sector to grow. Large cap is going to have a rally now. I'll share one thing that I have recently noticed people doing, that they buy any share at any given price. Let's say they are buying a share at 60x, 80x, 100x. उस पे return कब आना शुरू होगा? After a decade it would come to the PE जहां पे वो return generate करना शुरू करेगा. So you are getting what I'm trying to say. You have to buy at a right price to get good returns. Another question, when should we exit? So ये सबको पता है कि if in case you are trading without setting up a target, it's a gamble for you. The moment you see any cycle coming to an end, take a pause. The worry will start when IPO and projects will be visionary and not for near term. So कोई भी IPO आया, retail IPO आया with huge valuation और अगर वो fail होता है, that is when worry will start. तो अभी के लिए ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Markets are not cheap. At the same time, they are not expensive as yet. So we are yet to enter the euphoria phase. Another question, can market go down from here? If yes, what are the factors which would bring the market down? To answer this question, एक stock या एक sector can't pull the market down, can't pull the entire market down. So it has to be some external factor. Now these factors are very much visible to market observers. So if we talk about Apple is in a declining phase, quarter on quarter, stock prices बढ़ रहे हैं, sales decline हो रही है, market cap of Apple is $3 trillion, somewhere equal to market cap of India. If we talk about Alphabet, risk of beaten up by AI company is super high, plus regulators का भी pressure है company पे, issues with Tesla as well are there, the way Chinese have come up with BYD, you know now Tesla has a good competitor. अगर कुछ भी issue आता है, that might cause steep correction in the market. If we talk about UK, broken away from EU, fiscal deficit is not in good state and so many other issues are currently going on. Unfortunately, I'll not be able to elaborate all the issues in the interest of time, but if you check out Japanese yen, it has dropped 50% in a year, but agar sterling pound ko dekhe, to it is as is. Coming back to US, anything bad that US gets stuck in, they just print the money and get out of it. So this is known as QE. You can Google what is QE in finance and you will get to know about it. But at times this is not good for the country. All you need is just one bond market failure or one blow up in the bank. 4 to 5% interest rate hike. Someone must have booked losses somewhere in the system. It can't be just Silicon Valley which has blown up. Fed can't be booking all the losses on its own. There has to be some consequences around it. Surely we are in a bull run, but there are no minor shocks that market is giving right now. That's worrisome. Because it is always good to step up slowly with minor shocks rather than taking elevator up and elevator down. I have just noticed that you haven't liked my video yet. Request you to please do so that it can reach out to other investors too. And I hope that with this video I was able to show you the sign of caution. And thank you so much for watching my video today, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you.